Creating a high converting product page on your dropshipping store that racks in sales each and every single day isn't as hard as you think it is. But the problem with most beginners is that they spend so much time on this, and it's the reason why they can never get to making sales is because they think that their website matters so much. So in today's video, I'm gonna make a quick, simple guide. I'm gonna show you exactly how to create a product page that converts well enough and doesn't take you a year to make. So if you're excited for the video, I would greatly appreciate it if you could drop a like and subscribe to the channel. It helps push out our content to the algorithm, so that way we can help more dropshippers just like you get more results. And also feel free to go down to the description and check out Unlimited Ecom Academy. It's my full A to Z dropshipping program. It comes with a course that's got hours of step-by-step tutorials giving you everything that you need to be able to build and scale your dropshipping business. So again, go down to the description, check it out. And without further ado, let's hop right into this product page. All right, you guys, so hopping right into the product page. Okay, so this right here is a product page that took me 30 minutes to an hour to create. Not really too long, okay? You don't have to spend so much time on this. You just need something that converts so you can test the product quick, okay? Dropshipping is all about speed, and you guys spend way too much time on this, okay? So I'm gonna break down everything about this product page and tell you why I did certain things and try to guide you in the best way possible. So to start off, top of the product page, we have our offer on a scrolling announcement bar. Just says free shipping worldwide. Put whatever you want there, okay? There is no right or wrong answer to this. Put buy one, get one free, free tracked shipping, whatever you want to put, okay? For the logo, I keep my logos very simple. A lot of you guys like to put all these different badges and icons and all this other crap. All you need is just simple text, simple black text. That's all you need, okay? So Valoria is the name of the store. We don't know what Valoria is. It just sounds branded. It sounds luxury. It's like Sephora. What's Sephora? We don't know what Sephora is, okay? So same kind of deal here. Keep it simple. Now for the product that we're gonna be doing for this product page is Power Petty Electric Foot Grinder. That's what I named it. I'll tell you guys why I named that here in a second. But basically it's just a electric callus remover. So you just use it on your feet. It removes all the dead skin and all the calluses off your feet, okay? Now, I didn't put too much time into the images. I would probably add a before and after here. I probably would remove this image as well. But basically here, you just want to have a good maybe 5 to 7 photos. You don't want to have too many, okay? So here I'm going to offer a free gift. I actually got ChatGPT to make me this image, which I'll show you guys how to do that here in a second. But basically I'm going to be offering a free gift with every purchase. So you get one coarse head for free, one fine head for free. And I had ChatGPT make that photo for me. All these are from AliExpress, removes dead skin and calluses. This is from Amazon, I believe. You can get images from Amazon, get them from AliExpress, wherever you want. This is an instructions, shows you exactly how to use it. I actually think I have 2 instruction ones, so I would probably remove this one since the first one looks a little bit more branded. And then I would add a couple before and afters. If you have before and afters for your product, make sure you have them in the imagery. It really makes a big difference in your conversions, and GIFs as well work really well inside of your product slideshow. So check this out. So right here, I'm on ChatGPT and I gave it that image I told you I was going to remove, and I put, this is my product, create me a clean product image for my Shopify store on a white background, and boom, there you go. Look how clean, how high quality this image is. And now I can take that image and put it on my Shopify store. So obviously I'm not going to put it in there because this is for information purposes only, but moving on. So right here is the title of the product, Power Petty Electric Foot Grinder. You want to create a name for your product. Again, you can go back to ChatGPT and say, hey, give me a few names for this product, which is a foot grinder to remove calluses, keep it branded and short, okay? I don't even think about it when I talk to ChatGPT. I literally just talk to it like it's my friend or something. So again, it'll come up with a bunch of names, callus, smooth. I actually really didn't like these that much, but again, we can, kind of just play with it. So I already have my name, which is Power Petty, which I got from this. So I can just, Power Petty, okay? And now it'll give me more names that are kind of similar to this. So again, there's no right or wrong answer when it comes to these prompts. Slick Petty, Petty Pro, Petty Rush, Petty Go, you get the point, okay? So you're gonna take one of those names and then you're gonna use it for your name, okay? So then it'll be blank electric foot grinder. Really quickly, I wanna interrupt today's video to talk about the great sponsor of our channel, AutoDS. Now, AutoDS is an amazing dropshipping supplier that not only is reliable, but will give you faster shipping times than AliExpress or any of the other dropshipping suppliers out there. And on top of that, it also serves as a product research tool. Now, if we head into the dashboard of AutoDS, this is their marketplace section. This is where you can see all the products that AutoDS has to offer, categorized by niche. Now, as you can see, this is literally the product that we have on the product page in today's video. And it's the electric foot file. And as you can see, they'll ship it to your customers within 11 to 14 business days. Now, what's great about this is that once I find a product, I can literally import it as a draft to my Shopify store in just one click. But the feature I use the most for AutoDS is their ad spy feature, because I hate having to have the Facebook ad library open and the TikTok Creative Center. So I can come here to their ad spy section and sort by whatever ads I want to see. So I can look at Facebook, I can look at Instagram, I can look at TikTok. And what's amazing is that they have all these different features here. So I can click on advanced filters and I can really hone in on the type of ad that I'm looking for. Now, once I find an advertisement that sparks my interest, I can highlight over it and click on view now. Now that's going to take me to this screen right here where I can see a bunch of different details. I can see the engagement of the post. I can see the actual advertisement here, and I can download this right from AutoDS if I want to, and I want to use this as my own clip for my own creatives. But I can also click on see original post, and that's going to take me right to TikTok where I can see this video once more. I can check out the brand and see what they're doing on TikTok, and I can even check out the engagement and see what other people are saying about this specific video. Now, if you want to try this out on your Shopify store, which I highly recommend it, especially if you're looking for a dropshipping supplier, I want you to go down to the first link in the description, and that's going to be a link to get you your first 30 days for only $1. Now, the next section is your text. So this right here, I have just a text that calls out the customer. So it says, if you're dealing with dry, cracked heels or rough, calloused feet, the Power Petty electric foot grinder is what you've been looking for to restore smooth, soft skin and confidence with every step. So basically, I'm just calling out my customer. I'm just saying, hey, this product is for you because of X, Y, and Z. And I give all my students inside of Unlimited Ecom Academy a full script that literally you could put into ChatGPT and it generates all of this for you. Okay, so if you want that, go down to the description. So underneath that, I have my 4 unique value propositions or benefits. Okay, so salon-like pedicure at home, instantly removes dead skin, tough on calluses, gentle on skin, rechargeable and portable. Okay, so you want to just put here like why, like the benefits of your product. Okay, you don't want it to just be features. So you don't want to like focus on like, oh, it has like 3 heating mode settings. Like nobody cares about that. Okay, what is the product going to do for the customer? Then we have the price here. I would actually have a compare at price here as well. Obviously, again, this product page took me like 30 minutes to an hour. I would just change that, make sure I have the compare at price. It's not sold out, so on your side, you're not going to see that. Okay. Here we're gonna have our quantity selector, our added cart buttons. Okay, you guys don't care about that. Now for the icon with text. So I get these icons from flaticon.com. So pretty much you can just download these icons, and I usually put free shipping, 30-day money back guarantee, hassle-free returns, whatever you want here, okay? And then here are collapsible rows, and I usually have them the same depending on what type of product I'm selling. So the only difference here would be like if I was selling a supplement, for example, maybe I'd have a collapsible row for ingredients. Or if I was selling a fashion related product, maybe I would have a size chart collapsible row. But for any product, whether it's fashion or it's a supplement, I always at least have these, okay? So the first one is, how does it work? So again, you can get ChatGPT to generate all of this for you. So here is exactly what I put. Simply, why isn't it going down? There we go. Simply choose the appropriate grinding head and speed, then gently glide the electric foot grinder over your feet. It easily removes calluses, dead skin, and rough patches, leaving your feet feeling smooth and rejuvenated, okay? Pretty simple. What's included? You can get this right from your supplier listing. So if you're using AutoDS, you can just go and see exactly what's included with the product, and I just put it right here, okay? Our guarantee, again, I get to go, I get it with ChatGPT, they make it, and it's just pretty straightforward. Shipping, I always outline what my shipping costs or my shipping times are. It just depends on your supplier. And then return and refund policy. Again, just something very, very simple. So the first thing that I like to start out with my product page is a headline. So your headline needs to be like something that's going to make the customer want to keep going through your product page, right? So salon-like pedicure at home works for this product because people who are buying this product want something simple as solution, so that way they don't have to keep going to the salon or to get a pedicure every single week, okay? So as you can see, I have a GIF here, and I don't have an image, I don't have anything else. It's a GIF. It's a 3 to 4 second clip of your product in action. So how do we make these GIFs? I use a site called EasyGIF. You're gonna come to easygif.com and you're gonna go to video to GIF. And then what you're gonna do is upload your video here. So you're gonna have to go to TikTok, download a video, and then you can put the MP4 file here, and then you can upload it and create the GIF like that. Again, you wanna keep it 3 to 4 seconds of what your product actually is doing or what it does, right? All right, so heading right back into the product page, as you can see, salon-like pedicure at home. And then we have some supporting text. I don't have an entire story. A lot of you guys have like so much text on your product page, like nobody wants to read that. You want to make it simple and easy to read, okay? So I just have a few sentences here. Skip the expensive spa visits. Now you can get smooth, polished feet in minutes from the comfort of your home, blah, 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 okay? Very straight to the point. And we end with a shop now button, which links right back to this product page. Now, the next section, which I actually got from an app called Section Store, it's free to add, but each section is like $9 in there. And basically you can do stuff that you wouldn't be able to do on the normal Shopify editor without having to pay like a developer, okay? So this section is from there. It's called Before and After. You can see it right here on the top. It just says why babes love Power Pedi, the timeless secret to smooth sandal ready feet. And then I have a before and after here, which looks super clean, okay? And then there's just 4 more like bullets. Basically, I got all these icons from Flat Icon, and then, you know, basically just explaining what my product is. Salon-like pedicure at home, dual grinding heads, custom speed control, cordless and travel friendly. This is where you can kind of get more into like the physical features of the product, okay? Just kind of explaining again more about the product. And then the next section is literally just a backwards version of this one right here. So this right here is an image with text. I have the image first and then the text afterwards. Well, that's what it would look like on desktop. And then again, we have another one here. So again, another clip or another GIF of my product in action, showing the grinding of the dry skin of the feet. That's what customers want to see, okay? Again, they don't want to see static images. They want to see GIFs. Okay, so as you can see, it says effortless foot care anytime you need it. The Power Pedi electric foot grinder comes with 2 interchangeable grinding heads to tackle both everyday maintenance and stubborn calluses. Its lightweight cordless design and USB rechargeable battery make it perfect for convenient at-home use. So again, very short and straight to the point, and we ended off with a shop now button. All right, so the next section here is a 30-day guarantee. This is basically going to lift that ease if your customer has any about purchasing your product, okay? So you're basically saying, hey, like we do offer returns. There's no risk to this, okay? You can try it for 30 days. If you don't like it, you can return it. Now, if you're not gonna do any returns, don't put something like this on your website. Be ethical at least, okay? But we do offer returns. I offer returns. 30-day guarantee, no risk, just results. It says we're so confident in our Power Pedi electric foot grinder that we offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied, we'll refund you, no questions asked. It's risk-free, okay? Very straightforward. Now, underneath that, I always like to have a small FAQ page. Again, this is lessening the amount of customer service emails that you're going to get. That's number one, but it's also going to reduce like any friction, okay? Because a lot of times if people have questions and they have to reach out to your customer service team, that means that they're not purchasing. And if you don't get back to them fast enough, then they're gone for good, okay? So answer any questions that people may have. Like, think of this, okay? One thing that I like to do is I just go to ChatGPT and I'll just straight up ask it, okay? We'll come back here and say, give me 10 questions and answers for Power Pedi electric foot grinder, okay? And here you go. What is the Power Pedi electric foot grinder? Is Power Pedi safe to use on sensitive skin? Blah, 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 okay? And just in case like ChatGPT doesn't know anything about your product, you can just give it a simple description. Say, hey, redo this, but here's a description of my product, so that way you kind of know what you're talking about, okay? And then it'll give you, 10 questions again. So very simple to be able to get questions and answers. But again, this helps your customer service team or you, since you're going to be the one managing the emails. But also at the same time, it's going to help you, answer any questions that customers are going to have, because you don't want to like have them wait to purchase. You want them to purchase immediately. when they come to your product page. So again, think of things that people are going to ask. And if you have, if you can't think of anything, just go to Amazon, look up your product on Amazon, and you can go to the questions and answers and see what they're asking and what people are asking there, and you can put them on your product page. And then lastly, I have customer reviews. This is going to build trust. Again, this is just like the 30-day guarantee. The questions and answers, like you're just kind of just warming that customer up to make them want to purchase. This is the final straw here, really, on your product page that's going to make them want to purchase. So what you're going to want to do is download an app called A-Reviews. So A-Reviews is an app that allows you to put reviews on your store, not only from AliExpress, but from Amazon as well. And the reason why I like this is because sometimes on AliExpress, you're not going to find many reviews of your product, right? There may only be a few listings. But on Amazon, maybe your product is crushing, and you could take the testimonials from there and put them on your store. And you want to make sure that you don't have a perfect 5-star rating. That's number one. No one has a perfect 5-star rating. It just doesn't look really trustworthy. And two, you want to make sure that you have all your image reviews first. So as you can see, every single one on here, and I believe A-Reviews automatically does this, so I don't think you have to do anything, but you want to have the image reviews first, and you don't want to have anything like this. So if I was testing this product, I would remove this because it's just a black screen. Okay, so you want to make sure you check them when you import them as well. But as you can see, each one is image reviews, and then after that, then you can fill it out with some text reviews. You want to have anywhere from about, I would say if you can get about 60 to 100, cool. You don't want to have like a crazy amount, like don't have like 3,000. Right? Don't have like 3,000 reviews and then you're running ads on Meta. We go to your Facebook page and you got one Facebook page okay? Like make it reasonable. So yeah, that is the product page. Now, one thing I forgot to, include in here, which I'm surprised it wasn't on here, is the Ka-Ching bundles. So this app right here is called Ka-Ching bundles. Again, ignore the sold out. If this was a real product and it was set up correctly, that wouldn't show. What you're going to want to do is actually hide this once you have Ka-Ching bundles on your store, because you're not going to need the price because it's going to be here on the actual chart. So again, this app is called Ka-Ching bundles. It's where you can make volume discounts. So basically like buy one, get it for X price, buy two, get it for this price, so on and so forth. You always want to have an offer on your store no matter what. Even if you make up the offer, it's better to have an offer than not to have one at all. Okay, so in this case, what you can do for this product is buy one, get it for $29.99. On the back end, there's a shipping fee. Usually it's priced between anywhere like $2.95 to $4.95, depending on my margins. And what we're trying to do is entice customers to purchase the 2 or the 3 option, because buy 2, you're going to get free shipping, and you're also going to save 10%. If you buy 3, you're going to get you're going to save 20%, and you're going to get free shipping and a free gift. Okay, so this is how you can kind of structure your offers to get people to purchase more to boost that average order value, which is why this image was made in the first place. This would be the free gift. So if you bought 3, you would get an extra free gift of more coarse heads and more replaceable fine heads as well. So like I said at the beginning of the video, this is all you need to be able to test products. This is very similar to what I use to be able to test products on my store. It doesn't need to be so extravagant. It doesn't need to take, years for you to create. Again, this is simple, straight to the point, has everything that you need for customers to convert. All right, you guys, so that's going to do it for the video. I hope you guys did enjoy. I know for a fact that I dropped a ton of gems in today's video, so I would greatly appreciate it if you could drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. And also feel free to go down to the comments and, ask me any questions regarding the drop shipping, or just leave some topics that you guys want me to speak about, and I'll see if I can make some videos about it in the future. But yeah, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day or night whenever you guys are watching this video. Thanks again for watching and for all the continued support, and I'll see you guys next time.